Hey there. If you're running a dumpster rental business right now, let me guess. You've invested in your dumpsters, you're paying for insurance, you've printed flyers, built a website, maybe even ran a few ads. But the phone? It's not ringing the way you expected. And the bookings? They're not coming in fast enough. Sound familiar? The truth is, it's not just about having dumpsters. It's about how fast and efficiently you connect with people who already need your service before someone else does. And that's the part most people get wrong. Let's talk about the real problem. Most dumpster rental business owners still rely on word of mouth, Facebook groups, or hoping someone finds their number on Google. They miss calls, they forget to follow up, and in this fast-paced world, if you don't respond within minutes, customers move on. That's money gone. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if your business could respond instantly to every inquiry? What if customers could choose a dumpster size, book a time, and pay online, all without needing to talk to you first? That's not a dream. That's automation. And that's exactly what smart business owners are doing right now. Here's the deal. People still want dumpster rentals. The demand is there. But they want it fast. They want it easy. They don't want to wait for a callback or fill out confusing forms. So what's the solution? Automation. Instead of chasing down leads or answering calls during dinner, imagine this. A lead sees your ad or post. They click on your funnel link. They land on a single page that clearly explains your service. They enter their info. They get a confirmation message instantly. And you're booked. This isn't just convenient, it's powerful. You're getting paid while you're doing what matters most, delivering dumpsters, handling operations, or even sleeping. That's the magic of having the right system in place. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I don't know anything about building systems, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a big team. You don't even need a full website. You just need one high-converting funnel page that works for you 24/7. That's where funnelfreedom.io comes in. It's not just another website builder. It's an automation tool designed specifically for service-based businesses like dumpster rentals. With Funnel Freedom, you can set up a full booking funnel in minutes, let customers choose dumpster sizes and dates, accept payments online, automatically send text or email confirmations, and manage everything in one place, even from your phone. One of our users in Ohio used to get 3 jobs a week. After adding a simple funnel with automation, he jumped to over a dozen jobs a week without spending a dime on extra advertising. The only change? He stopped doing everything manually and let the system handle it. Funnels are not just websites. They're your automated sales team. They never sleep, they never forget to follow up, and they work exactly the way you tell them to every single time. If you're tired of chasing leads, if you're tired of losing customers to faster competitors, and if you're ready to let your business run smoother while you focus on growth, then funnelfreedom.io is for you. You don't have to commit to anything today. Just take a look, see how it works, imagine what it could do for your business. Because the truth is, doing it the old way just doesn't work anymore. We're in a world where speed wins, and those who automate are the ones who stay ahead. So here's your chance. Take a step toward working smarter, not harder. Visit funnelfreedom.io and start building a system that brings customers to you day and night. If this video helped you even a little, hit that like button. It helps more than you know. And don't forget to subscribe, because I've got more videos coming that will help service-based businesses grow faster with less stress. Until next time, automate smart, work efficiently, and keep growing.